to spur development and improve the quality of life for the citizens through generation of significant revenues. However, human rights abuse is commonly cited in the global extractive industries infrastructure development.
Human rights is often seen by government and also private development projects lead as an impediment, as something that hinders efficiency of project implementation.
As the EU, we are supportive of Uganda's efforts to develop a robust policy and legal framework that contributes towards increased transparency and accountability and human rights compliance in the governance of natural resources.
Advocates Sans Frontiers, in partnership with Advocates for Natural Resources and Development, have been implementing a 2-year project titled Empowering Communities and Civil Society Development to Demand for Good Governance in Natural Resources Management. It covered the resource-rich Albertine Graben and Karamoja sub-region. They report occurrences of human rights violations which include compulsory land acquisition, child labor, poor remuneration, lack of access to information, environmental degradation, among others.
There were as well incidents of alleged corruption in both regions. In Karamoja particularly, the incident that was reported involved companies bribing local authorities to prevent artisanal miners from claiming higher wages.
In the right to property, we have also other still aspects that need to be fulfilled, okay? Public interest, then we need payment of a fair and adequate compensation. It's what the Constitution says. So who determines what is fair and adequate? It's the courts.
The report recommends a human rights-based approach to natural resource governance in order to protect the mining communities.
And the good thing is, when the policy which is currently awaiting assent by His Excellency the President were made, there was a lot of consultation. Before I had a sabbatical leave to go to Ministry of Works for 1.5 years. I was following all those laws and knew.
With the country experiencing a sharp rise in foreign direct investments targeting the nascent oil and gas sector and other mining ventures, analysts forecast a rise in human rights problems with dire consequences to the vulnerable communities. Dennis Igoa for UBC News.